Hey there, we're just going to do a quick demo of the ceramic ornaments that we got in. We're going to test them and figure out the ideal temperature and time as well as pressure so that you guys can get great results every time. So far we're doing not too bad. I did this one up, but the first try we didn't have enough pressure and we didn't have enough time. So as you can see, that didn't work. This was the second try. Now we're trying a third time just to see if we can get it better. We've already got the ornament taped up and ready to go. We're pressing it with a Nomex felt pad underneath so that it has a bit of a cushion. If you don't have a felt pad, you can always use like a pressing pillow or just something so that it has a bit of give. We're going to press with the transfer on the bottom, and we're just going to put butcher paper over the top. Okay, we're doing this at 385 for 2 minutes. And we'll see how it turns out. I've got this set at medium pressure. Okay, there's just a few seconds left. You're going to want to wear heat gloves because the ceramic is going to be very hot. So, yeah. Okay, here we go. The moment of truth. Let's see how we did. Okay, well, I think I taped it to the butcher paper. There we go. Put my glove back on. Somehow. Okay, maybe I won't put my glove back on. Okay, this is so cute. This is the new design that I just put out. And you've probably seen it in our design group. I think it came out really nice. So this setting seems to be the best so far. That was 385 for 2 minutes, and yeah, that worked really well. We're gonna practice doing both sides at the same time. So once we get that perfected, then we will post another video in the group. Talk to you later.